were 420 white mice with chains about their necks. The captain was a duck with a packet on his back, and when the ship began to move, the captain said, "Quack!" I saw a ship a-sailing on the sea. I saw a ship a-sailing on the sea.
Hi, I'm Annie, and these are my best friends, Ben and Mango. If you want to sing in